aspirin to eggs, and the results will surprise you. Start by preparing a medium glass bowl. Take an egg and carefully separate the white from the yolk. Then add a tablespoon of honey. Honey is excellent for moisturizing and soothing the skin. It helps regenerate and nourish the skin, making it look healthier and younger. Mix everything well until combined. Next, take a small bowl, add 3 aspirins, and a bit of water to dissolve them. After a moment, crush the aspirin with a pestle. Aspirin has a calming effect on the skin, especially for minor irritations or redness. Pour the dissolved aspirin into the egg white and honey mixture and blend it well. This mixture turns into an amazing face mask. Apply it to your skin using a brush and leave it on for a few minutes. Your skin will thank you. Use it regularly, either in the morning or at night, and you'll be pleasantly surprised by the results. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. Add some petroleum jelly and apply it to your lips. It's the best homemade cosmetic for them. Thanks to it, your lips will never be dry or chapped again. You only need a few ingredients that will transform the skin on your lips. Prepare a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cosmetic petroleum jelly to it. Petroleum jelly is intended to moisturize the skin of your lips. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Sugar primarily has exfoliating properties. Then, add a teaspoon of almond oil. Natural almond oil is suitable for consumption and can be used in homemade cosmetics. It regenerates and cleanses the skin. Add some natural aloe vera gel to the mixture. Aloe vera has soothing and moisturizing properties. It can be helpful in caring for dry and chapped lip skin. Petroleum jelly combined with aloe and almond oil protects the lips, especially from harmful weather conditions such as wind, frost, or sun. Mix everything thoroughly. The ingredients must be well combined. Apply this scrub to your entire lips. Rub it in thoroughly. Immediately after application, you will feel super moisturized. Leave it on for 10 minutes. After this time, rinse it off with warm water. I guarantee that your lips have never been so pleasant and well moisturized before. Place a garlic clove in your ear and you won't believe what happens next. This is a highly effective way to deal with a common ailment. Garlic is called a natural antibiotic for a reason. Start by taking 2 garlic cloves, peel and clean them. Then, slice them thinly. The next step is to fry them. So grab a pan, add the garlic and drizzle some olive oil over it. Fry on low heat until golden brown. Pour the garlic and oil into a small bowl. Take a cotton ball, soak it in the mixture, and place it in your ear. You should feel relief within minutes. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, it not only eases pain, but also prevents further infection. You can also place a raw garlic clove directly in your ear, as it contains properties that help fight off various illnesses effectively. Try this natural remedy next time you're in discomfort, and don't forget to share it with friends who might benefit from it too. Don't overpay for a pedicure at a beauty salon. This simple trick from our grandmothers softens foot skin without a foot file. Prepare 2 drawstring bags, ensuring they are large enough for your feet. Pour half a cup of vinegar into each bag. Acetic acid helps regulate the pH of the foot skin and has antifungal properties. It also helps eliminate pathogens that can cause yellowing of the nails or cracked, discolored skin. Insert your feet into the bags and add half a cup of warm water to each bag. Keep your feet in them for at least 20 minutes. Vinegar is also excellent prevention for those dealing with corns and warts. Additionally, it helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Regular baths curb foot perspiration. Acetic acid acts like a treatment at a cosmetologist's. It softens calloused skin on the heels and bunions. Without using a drill or file, you'll get rid of tough skin. Your feet will be soft and firm. Repeat the process daily until the issues disappear. It's the best natural solution for common problems. Put pineapple in foot bath. That's what rich people do. The effects are better than at a beautician's. Take 1 pineapple and peel it. Cut slices with a knife. Pineapple is used in cosmetics. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Then, cut the fruit into pieces. In cosmetics with its ingredients, you'll find it under the name bromelain. Pineapple fruit is a great exfoliating ingredient. Put it in a blender and cover with water. Then, blend it into a pulp. Put pineapple peels in a pot. Cover with water. Add a handful of cloves. They have anti-wrinkle properties. They help stimulate circulation. Then, add a few bay leaves. Another ingredient is Epsom salt. It owes its valuable properties to the magnesium and sulfur ions it contains. Cut a lemon in half and add it to the pot. Mix everything and heat over medium heat. After 15 minutes, let it cool down. Pour the resulting essence into a bowl. Also add pineapple with water. Then, put your feet in it. Such a bath is pleasant and has a brilliant effect. It helps exfoliate the skin and has antibacterial properties. It helps reduce swelling of the feet. It helps get rid of ingrown nails and inflammations. The skin is soft and refreshed without using a pumice stone. Apply this to your heels, and you won't need to visit a beautician in the spring. You'd never guess you could use a potato this way. I was very surprised by its combination with other ingredients, and their wonderful application. Take a fresh potato and a grater. Grate it finely. Prepare a bowl and a sieve. Place the grated potato on the sieve and squeeze out the juice. The next ingredient is a lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 into the bowl. The acid in the lemon acts as an exfoliant. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix these ingredients. Salt eliminates bacteria and removes impurities. The next ingredient, which will surprise you, is toothpaste. Add a tablespoon of toothpaste and mix everything thoroughly. Now you'll be amazed at what we've created. It's a mixture for cracked heels. Take half of the lemon and dip it into the mixture. Thoroughly rub the mixture into your heels with the lemon. Massage them for 5 minutes. Then, leave the mask on your heels for another 20 minutes. After that, wipe off the excess with a paper towel. Your heels will be smoother, and with each treatment, the skin on them will be healthier.